Hi viewers, I'm Paul Verdicto. With this special device, it is possible to deliver products to space. And to know what the device is, listen to our reporter, Blessimi.
Hello everyone, it's me Blessimi from HeartDrive. United States, Russia, Japan, Canada and Europe collaborated and formed International Space Station. International Space Station was built with the purpose of doing science research on space. 6 astronauts stay in the space station to carry out researches and they switch out every 6 months so that no one will spend too much time on space. Countries spend millions and millions of money to send equipments to the workstation. And the space station also has been occupied with a lot of backup equipment. In order to reduce the cost spent on sending equipments and to reduce the space wastage made in space, a company in Silicon Valley has come up with the idea of manufacturing equipments in space. Sounds strange. Let's see how is it possible. Made in Space company has invented 3D printers which could produce any equipment once a digital file of it is sent to space. When Made in Space company created these 3D printers, they focused on the concept of making it work in zero gravity. This method of producing goods in space is cost effective. And it is also a huge leap in the history of space research, as it could increase the chance of doing big researches on space. In the last years, few equipment samples have been made in International Space Station based on the demand of the astronauts. Life lesson: the out-of-box idea of manufacturing equipments in space using 3D printers has defeated many restrictions on space research. One out-of-box idea can create many wonders. Think different. Thank you.